Well, welcome to kind of the first day of our garage build as far as construction goes. We prepped the lot, we showed you earlier. We brought the lot down to the appropriate level. And what we had done yesterday was we had the survey done. So we've established our property line in the back here. So that is the actual edge of our, no, scratch that. That's actually just a reference point to find out the edge of our property line. There is our property line. We pinned two of the back corners plus the front two corners of this house. And what we've also had our surveyor do was pin the four corners of our new garage. You can see those pink flags there. So what those are, they're pins. So we're actually going to set up, that is the exact corner of our garage that we're building. So we have these four corners established. And now we know that we're within our setbacks as we're supposed to be as far as the city is required. We're backed up from the road as far as our setbacks go there, and we're building in exactly the right spot. So you can see what we had delivered today was all the materials for our footings, our foundation. And one of the things that we're doing with this house, because we have a garage door, is we're building our footings with a 2x12. And the unique part about that is what that allows us to do is to reuse that lumber as the header for our garage door. So that 2x12 material will now become the header for our garage door, which will go up above here, and we're able to reuse it, so we don't just strip it and take it to the dump. So we've ordered our foundation material and are building our foundation slightly differently to accommodate the lumber that we'll be able to reuse in the build. We've also delivered the rebar here, and you can see we're going to put three strips in the footing. Our footings are going to be 24 inches wide, and then we're going to have a curb on top of that. We'll show you some more later, but today construction starts on our foundations. Talk to you soon. Well, welcome back. We're first day of construction on the site today. We are actually starting with our footings and our foundation now. We've taken those corners that we found earlier, we showed you earlier, and we've now put in our footings. And we're building our curb on top. So this part here is the footing, this part here is the curb. And you can see that corner right there is the exact same as this corner right here. So we've matched the outside corners, the four corners of our building with the curb, leaving our opening here for our garage door. Our footing runs across all the way, and you can see we've already dropped that rebar into our footings, so that'll make it nice and solid. We've got to drop some into the curb and then hang it all so that it doesn't sink down to the bottom of the concrete. But other than that, we're going to be ready for inspection for these forms in another day or so here. Looks good.